Recently, an eye-catching transaction involving an astounding 414 billion Shiba Inu Shivas tokens was made by an anonymous whale, sparking curiosity and speculation in the SHIB community and beyond. This transaction, recorded on the Ethereum blockchain 11 hours ago from an unknown wallet to the Shiba Inu token contract, is particularly noteworthy not only for its size but also for its destination. Such a transfer to a token contract could imply several possibilities, including the potential burning of tokens to reduce supply, or preparation for a significant liquidity event, such as the addition of SHIB to a new exchange or DeFi platform. Source: Etherscan. The effect of this transfer on SHIB's price is subject to various interpretations. If the community perceives the transfer as a token burn, this could positively impact the price by implying a reduced circulating supply, which in turn could heighten demand. Conversely, if the market anticipates a sell-off or an increase in liquidity, this could exert downward pressure on SHIB's price. A glance at the Shivas chart reveals a recent uptrend, with the price currently stabilizing after a sharp rise. The chart shows SHIB's price holding above key moving averages, which often serve as support levels for the asset's price. Should the transferred tokens be destined for market sale, it might test these support levels. However, the sustained uptrend and the trading volume, which appear to be healthy, suggest that the market might absorb such a sale without a drastic impact on price. Additional factors to consider include the broader sentiment on the crypto market, which has been bullish on meme coins. These elements can often counteract the potential negative effects of large-scale transfers. Shiba Inu holders receive an important alert that would guarantee the safety of their assets in light of the exciting creativity that has lately unfolded for the Shiba Inu ecosystem. SHIB Army Scam Alerts, or Susparium, an X account dedicated to uncovering scams and protecting the Shiba Inu community, has urged the Shiba Inu community to stay alert as scammers have devised new means to prey on unsuspecting individuals. Police Car Light SHIB Army warning Police Car Light at X. Stay alert as scammers will stop at nothing to part you from your assets. They have even gone as far as to copy the SHIB magazine landing page and are requesting you to connect your wallet so they can drain it. These bad actors have gone as far as imitating the SHIB magazine landing page and requesting users to connect their wallets with the intent of stealing funds. They should also double-check website URLs and never connect their wallet to any website or platform without first completing due diligence. In the past week, the Shiba Inu magazine, which offers fascinating updates about Shiba Inu, the Shibarium ecosystem and general crypto market, launched, to the excitement of the Shiba Inu community. The Shiba Inu first edition reveal was accompanied by a treat for early subscribers, 1,000 free NFTs of the first issue's cover. Shiba Inu made its bigger reveal this week when boxing legend Manny Pacquiao graced the cover of the second issue of SHIB magazine. The release of the second issue of SHIB magazine offers 3,000 free Manny Pacquiao x SHIB NFT covers as a treat for the Shiba Inu community. In good news for the Shiba Inu ecosystem, Shibarium-based DexMarSwap has implemented an on/off-ramp feature that allows users to buy the Shiba Inu governance token BONE using a bank card or PayPal. The MarSwap team disclosed the development in a recent post on X, which piqued the interest of Shiba Inu lead Shidoshi Kizuma, who reacted with a heart on fire emoji. Shiba Inu Shivast is showing signs of a bullish breakout that could see its price surge by approximately 12%. The daily chart reveals a sustained uptrend, supported by a series of higher lows and higher highs on Shiba Inu daily chart, a textbook indicator of bullish momentum. The recent price movements have traced a pattern that points toward further growth, suggesting that SHIB could be on the cusp of reaching a new high. Technical analysis reveals that SHIB is currently in a solid uptrend, with its price trading above both the 50-day and 100-day moving averages, which act as dynamic support levels. This alignment typically indicates a strong bullish presence in the market, underpinning the current price and providing a launchpad for further increases. Shiva's chart by TradingView. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, is hovering at a stable level, neither overbought nor oversold. This stability in the RSI suggests that SHIB has room to grow without immediate risk of a major sell-off due to overvaluation. Looking at the volume profile, there has been a noticeable increase in trading activity during the upswings, which points to growing investor interest and potential accumulation phases. Volume often precedes price, and the increased buying pressure could be a precursor to a significant price hike. In addition, the crypto community has been abuzz with headlines that bolster investor sentiment around Shiba Inu. From the token's increasing burn rate, which decreases supply, to its growing ecosystem and the prospects of Shibarium, SHIB's own blockchain, there is a slew of positive developments contributing to the hype. Should SHIB maintain its current trajectory and market conditions remain favorable, a 12% increase from its current position is within reach. It is essential to remember, however, that meme assets are notoriously volatile, and while the signs are promising, approach the asset with caution. It was reported that a spokesperson claimed the BlackRock filing on XRP was false. XRP observed an almost 15% surge, then fell by 12% in a short span of time. Community members and analysts still question whether the filing is true or not. A recent filing for one of the largest asset managers, BlackRock Fund on XRP, was highlighted on the official Delaware website that registers investment trusts incorporated in the state. Bloomberg reported that a spokesperson from the asset manager confirmed it was false. Several analysts observed that XRP experienced more than a 15% surge over this fake filing. Eric Balchunas, the senior ETF analyst for Bloomberg, also reported on X that this filing is false. He further emphasized that he had confirmed it with BlackRock's spokesperson. However, despite this announcement by Balchunas, a few community members questioned whether this was true or not, asking for proof. In fact, one member asked Balchunas, "Please post the confirmation," given that it was text-based. The senior ETF analyst for Bloomberg also noticed that people have been questioning whether BlackRock confirmed this is false. In response to this, Balchunas said, "They did." A spokesperson confirmed. He also mentioned that the community members who are still raging need to seek medical help. In relation to the XRP ETF news, a crypto analyst, CryptOneSideUck, also expressed, "I honestly have no idea what to believe at the minute. My gut tells me it's fake news." He also reminded the community that this felt similar to the fake BTC ETF news incident. In the end, he shared his analysis, claiming the indicators, RSI and stochastic RSI, are in the oversold region. The surge XRP experienced was short-term as it fell back to its previous position. Analyst James Safart speculated that this quick round trip could attract the feds. The final mystery that the community seems to ask is, how did one file a fake entity? Fred Rispoli, an analyst, shared his thoughts, stating, "Could someone file a fake entity? I'm only familiar with filing these in CA and AZ, and yes, I could easily file a fake entity on a real corporation commission website in those states. Maybe it's hard to do in Delaware." So far, the BlackRock and Delaware website has not yet sent out an official statement regarding this matter. The only proof that claims that the XRP filing is false is from a spokesperson Balchunas has contacted. At the same time, there is still no proof that XRP's filing is true. Ripple, XRP, price prediction. Looking at possible scenarios, the bullish case for Ripple, XRP, hinges on its ability to break through the immediate resistance at $0.7232, potentially setting its sights on the 1-month HGH of $0.7479 or even the next resistances at $0.7886 and $0.8293. Conversely, a bearish outcome would involve breaking below the current support at $0.6171. Such a move could lead to further downward pressure, potentially testing the second support point at $0.5764, or even lower, the $0.511 mark. These technical levels are key to unlocking the short-term moves of XRP in a market that's still jittery and often swayed by the latest news.